This is stock number 38945, a 2005 Chevy Avalanche, four-wheel drive. Exterior color is gold. Interior options, you have power locks, power windows, power mirrors, power adjustable foot pedals, power driver's seat, light controls, four-wheel drive controls, rear dome lights and fog lights, cruise control, hands-free communication, stereo controls, AM/FM radio with CD player, dual zone climate controls, trailer brakes. Your center console doubles as a seat. Upholstery is cloth. Color is a light cashmere. Comes equipped with two running boards, 16-inch rims, fender flares and mud flaps, trailer tow package, hard tonneau cover, and plastic bed liner. Rear options, you got power side windows, 40/60 bench split seat with built-in armrest and cup holders. Seats fold down for extra cargo storage. Once again, this is stock number 38945, a 2005 Chevy Avalanche. Four-wheel drive, exterior color is gold.